Hello, friends. Today I'm going to discuss with you a very important and relevant question, which is about, is success binary? Is success all about setting a bunch of goals and achieving all of them? And if you're not able to do so, are you a failure? The answer to this question is not easy. The answer to this question will vary depending upon the perception of the individual, which is further marked by the culture of the society. In Indian culture, it's more about going for rote learning, getting the best job, earning enough to lead a luxurious life. Whereas if you go to Europe, the culture there is totally different. I have been lucky enough to spend few years of my life there and I have closely watched that culture. In European culture, the grades of your job, the salary of your job doesn't matter much. What matters there is the learning you are doing on daily basis, how much you are enjoying the life itself. I've seen the CEO of a company in Europe resigning and joining in a hospital as a nurse, and that's not a big deal there. The Indian culture itself is not wrong because whatever our perception is, whatever our culture is, that comes from the demography of a country. Resources कम है, population बहुत ज़्यादा है. 3 साल के बच्चे की एडमिशन के लिए लाइन लग जाती है. ट्रेन की टिकट के लिए लाइन है, बस की टिकट के लिए लाइन है, अब तो वैक्सीन के लिए भी लाइन है. But anyways, the agenda of this session is to share my experience. What do I think whether success is binary or not? I want to share my experience with you. तो जब मैं बहुत छोटा था, I watched a movie called जो जीता वही सिकंदर. I was a small boy then, and many of you might not have been born by then, I think, when that movie came. So after watching that movie, something etched in my memory that success is all about जीते तो जीते नहीं तो हारे. So after that, my mindset was always like that no, जीतना है नहीं तो हार है. I always tried on those lines. बोर्ड एग्जाम्स में हाईएस्ट मार्क्स लाने की कोशिश में नहीं ला पाया, जबकि मेरे अच्छे मार्क्स आए. I tried to get into IITs. I could not, though I managed to get into a good engineering college. I tried to get into IIMs. I could not, though I managed to get into a good MBA college. But मुझे लग रहा था कि मेरा करियर डिजास्टर है. I am not able to achieve all my goals. But if I look back, अगर मैं पीछे मुड़ के देखूं, मुझे लगता है कि कुछ भी फेलियर नहीं था. It was all success. I learned a lot. I made a lot of good friends. I had a lot of good memories from that period. और जो नेटवर्किंग मैंने उस पीरियड में की, वो नेटवर्किंग मेरे आज भी काम आती है. If I want to get anything done, I have a lot of friends in different parts of the country working in different organizations and those are ready to help me out. So success सिर्फ एक एग्जाम में अच्छे मार्क्स या उस एग्जाम को क्लियर करना नहीं है, और बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. इसी तरह आपका जो एक प्रोसेस है एग्जाम का, आप उसको समझिए. गोल यही होना चाहिए कि एग्जाम को क्लियर करके उस जॉब को पाना है. बट आई थिंक एट द एंड ऑफ द डे, इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू गेट दैट जॉब, आई जस्ट वांट टू से इट्स नॉट अ फेलियर. ये माइंडसेट आपको चेंज करना चाहिए. अगर आपने सपोज कीजिए सेबी की तैयारी की है, यू हैव लर्नड अ लॉट ऑफ गुड थिंग्स. आपने अकाउंट सीखा है, आपने कंपनी लॉ सीखा है. कल को आप किसी भी और कंपनी में काम करते हैं, एटलीस्ट आपको कोई अकाउंट्स में बेवकूफ तो नहीं बना पाएगा. नोबडी विल बी एबल टू चीट यू विद रिस्पेक्ट टू कंपनी लॉ, अगर कल को आप अपना कंपनी शुरू करना चाहते हैं. So at least you would have learned something. That is the point. So success is not about whether that end result is achieved. Success is all about that process itself. How honestly you have followed that process. What you have learned out of that process. तो गोल्स को चेस कीजिए, उसमें कोई बुराई नहीं है, लेकिन गोल्स अचीव ना होने पर हताश मत होइए. दैट इज द मैसेज. बिकॉज अगर आप देखेंगे कि उस प्रोसेस में आपने क्या सीखा है, तो आपने बहुत सारी चीजें सीखी होंगी which otherwise you would not have been able to learn if you would not have gone through this process. That's my message to you guys. I hope you are able to understand this message and try to think, introspect, try to apply this on yourself and tell me by commenting below this video, do you see success as binary or not? Thanks. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.